Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Milin Air Fryer 5.8 Quart, 1700 watt electric hot air fryers oven. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features are included. The air fryer uses up to 85 to 95% less fat than traditional deep frying methods while maintaining the same delicious taste. Now enjoy guilty-free delicious food. With LED simple touch controls, it's easy to read and easy to use. One touch for air frying, roasting, baking, and cooking with no hassle and no mess. Wide temperature range, 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Milin air fryer don't need to preheat, whip up dinner in half the time of a conventional oven without heating up the whole kitchen. Hands-free, enjoy your time. Comes with 100 original, delicious and easy recipes for every meal. And 7 one-touch presets can satisfy most cooking needs and help food to be more evenly cooked. The air fryer with detachable and non-stick air basket are dishwasher safe, also easy to clean with a damp cloth. The 5.8 quart size serves your family with at least 3 to 5 people. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.